detergent.
Right there, the scratchers.
Hey, Crisanto.
Right there, the
Safety first.
Look at the suit. That bra or that bra?
That's true.
Which bra you want?
Hey, I say you get the yeah.
This one. Bra, dude.
Which one? The hanger or the bra?
The bra with the hanger?
That's a big ass
Bra on the hanger or the silicone? Silicone bra?
Oh, you killed it!
The hanger bra.
Me? You're no fun, Crisanto. You stole everybody's gifts.
Oh, wait. Is that?
That's a gift card to Starbucks.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's Alvin's.
Okay.
Starbucks.
Who's next?
Starbucks and what?
Who's next?
Yeah, that's it. Hey, Jack the Starbucks.
Who's 25?
25.
Jack the Starbucks.
Cindy?
Oh, Cindy.
Hi, Cindy.
Here's some head.
Hey, here's some.
Take the bra.
Any of these bras.
Fuck! Oh, that's fucked up!
Oh, she stole the Coronas.
You know what this is? I must do again.
Still a gift.
Jim,
Hey, Tim.
Come rock!
No, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Play, dude.
Let everybody start stealing from everybody.
Fuck, Cindy.
Hey. I forgot she had the socks.
And the scratchers.
That's her man. That's her man.
Take her
Oh, didn't you spill something?
Yeah, take her Santos.
This?
Oh wait, no.
Yeah, a shirt.